Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys know by the title, I will be trying out some new makeup products, and this will be a full face of new makeup, and this is by the brand Forever 52. So they have recently sent me some of their best sellers as well as new launches. So today I have tried all of the products and created this beautiful party makeup look. And oh my god, by the way, this fringe is fake. So guys, now I'm going to talk about all the products in depth, and I am going to show you how I create this look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, let's start with the base, as I always start my makeup with the base. So today I used this Forever 52 4 color concealer palette, and this is in the shade 02. So I absolutely loved it. I have used this shade for my highlighter and a little bit of yellow to just make it much more brighter. Then I have used this shade to contour, and I have used a sponge, and it blended so beautifully. I am very impressed that it blended really nicely. Also, it was not creasing, and it has a beautiful formula, creamy formula. It also has a medium coverage, so I honestly loved it. So I'm going to mention the price details down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. The next product I used was the Wet and Dry Compact Powder. This is the new launch by Forever 52, and I went for the shade Natural, which is 03, and I do think this is perfect for me. And this is how the compact powder actually looks like. It has a medium coverage, and it gave me that really nice matte finish. Also, you can use this product wet or dry. It also comes with its sponge right at the back. So I have used it as a dry compact powder, but I'm definitely going to try this out as wet compact powder, and I will definitely do an update on that. Next up, I have used their highlighter, and oh my god, the highlighter palette is bomb.com, and this is the professional highlighter palette. You can see it comes with beautiful 8 shades, and look at that shade. Let me just swatch 1 or 2 shades for you guys. This one. Just look at that. It's so beautiful and so pigmented. I honestly loved it. Let me just swatch it. Oh. And the formula is so pretty, you guys. It's very buttery, and it blends so smoothly. So I really like this highlighter palette, and I'm definitely going to use this more often because you guys know I love highlighters. So I don't have bronzer and blush from this brand, so I have used from my vanity. Next up, let's move on to the eyes. First, let me talk about this gel liner. Oh my god, this is so very pigmented. I'm so very impressed. I am definitely going to DM them that I am in love with this, because this is so pigmented and this is very creamy at the same time. It is so easy to apply this, and to also, if you want a smoky eyes, you can definitely try this one out. I have just used it right here to smoke out, and oh my god, it is so good. It doesn't dries out very quickly, so you have time to blend it, and this also gives you a very good matte finish. And I have used it to just make this bold wing, and on top of that I went with the pressed glitter, and I have received 3 pressed glitters from them, and the one I have used is known as Karma. Yeah, I love the name, and this is how the shade looks like. I mean, this is such a pretty shade. Also, I have 2 more, and this is, you can see, this is the more sort of a lilac pink one, and this is the purple one. The shades are really pretty, and I can't wait to try them out. Now coming to their mascara, I have used it today, and honestly I am not that happy with this mascara because I always love volume as well as length, but this mascara only gives you length. So I don't know, I think this is new, that's why it didn't work for me. I'm definitely going to try this one out again and again and update you guys on this. Now for my lips, I went for their Super Stay Lip Gloss, and this is how the packaging looks like. You can see I have got two shades, Violet and Orchid. The shade I'm wearing is Orchid. I know this looks a little bit different. When you apply this, it exactly looks like this shade, but when it's dry, it looks like this. And I honestly loved when it's dry because this shade was looking really pale on me. And guys, the lipstick is very lightweight and very comfortable. It's not drying out my lips, and I really like the color. What do you guys think? So guys, those are the products I have received from Forever 52, and thank you so much for sending this across. I honestly really enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. What do you guys think about this look? If you guys liked it, do let me know in the comment section below, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys want me to do more sort of simple neutral look with just these products, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, I am going to mention the product details with their prices, and I'm going to also mention Forever 52 website link down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.